So we discuss now public limited companies and private limited company, how many persons we required. Minimum 7 subscribers required to incorporate a public limited company. Subscribers here indicate that how many minimum persons you required to incorporate a company. Minimum we required 7 persons to introduce, to establish, to start a public limited company. And how much minimum paid up capitals we required to start a business as a public limited company. So before 2015 the minimum capital required 5 lakh rupees, but after introduce this amendment 2015 minimum paid up capital limit obsolete. Nowadays there is no any minimum limit applicable on the public limited companies to start their business, and director limit here minimum 3 directors we require to establish a board of directors. Later part we discuss board of directors working for the company, for the benefit of company, on the behalf of members, we discuss later on, but at this moment we only consider here to constitute a board of directors. In case of public limited company we required minimum 3 directors, and these 3 directors constitute the board of director. And private limited company, how establish or what's the requirement to establish a private limited company? Minimum 2 directors required to constitute a board of directors. Here also board of directors play very important role in the functioning of company, and without board of directors we not run any company. As we know, there are the 2 human agents, one is known as members and another is known as board of directors. These 2 human agents basically responsible for the functioning of company. Members decide the policies, member decide the policies, and board of directors implement these policies for the benefit of company in the light of policies decided by member. So board of directors are the such persons who act on the behalf of company as policies decided by members in the AGM. So minimum paid up capital here again we highlight here. In 2015 central government obsolete this limit of minimum paid up capital, which required before this deletion 1 lakh rupees minimum capital required to start a private limited company. But nowadays there is no any limit as per 2015 amendments. Here minimum 2 members or you may be say subscriber and members both are the same for our discussion point of view.